Maintaining good kidney health is crucial for overall well-being. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and toxins from your blood, regulating electrolyte balance, and maintaining fluid balance in your body. One of the most effective ways to support kidney health is through a nutritious diet, and breakfast is the perfect time to start your day off right. In this video, we will explore 3 amazing fruits that you should be eating for breakfast to help detox your kidneys. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only delicious and refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. This juicy fruit, composed of about 92% water, is an excellent choice for hydration, which is essential for kidney health as it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Benefits of watermelon for kidney health hydration. As mentioned, watermelon is rich in water content. Consuming it in the morning helps keep you hydrated throughout the day, which is crucial for kidney function. Proper hydration aids in the efficient filtering of blood and the removal of waste products through urine. Diuretic properties. Watermelon has natural diuretic properties, meaning it can help increase urine production. This assists in flushing out toxins and waste from the kidneys, promoting their detoxification. Enhanced urine production helps in maintaining a healthy urinary tract and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Rich in antioxidants. Watermelon is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene. These antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which can damage kidney cells. Antioxidants are essential for neutralizing free radicals in the body, thereby preventing cellular damage and supporting overall kidney health. Low in potassium. For individuals with kidney issues, managing potassium intake is important. Watermelon is relatively low in potassium compared to other fruits, making it a safe choice for those with kidney concerns. Excessive potassium levels can strain the kidneys, so consuming low potassium foods like watermelon is beneficial for maintaining balanced potassium levels in the body. How to include watermelon in your breakfast. Watermelon slices. Simply cut fresh watermelon into slices and enjoy it as a refreshing breakfast option. You can also pair it with other fruits for a mixed fruit salad. Watermelon slices are easy to prepare and can be a quick, hydrating start to your day. Watermelon smoothie. Blend watermelon chunks with a bit of mint and a squeeze of lemon juice for a hydrating and detoxifying smoothie. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and antioxidants that support kidney health. The mint and lemon add a refreshing twist, making it a perfect morning drink. Watermelon salad. Combine watermelon cubes with cucumber, feta cheese, and a sprinkle of fresh mint leaves for a delicious and kidney-friendly breakfast salad. This combination of ingredients provides a balance of flavors and nutrients, making your breakfast both tasty and healthy. The cucumber adds extra hydration, while feta cheese offers a savory contrast to the sweetness of watermelon. Nutritional profile of watermelon is not just hydrating, it's also packed with essential nutrients. It contains vitamins A, B6, and C, as well as amino acids and antioxidants. The high water content makes it low in calories, so you can enjoy it without worrying about weight gain. Watermelon's nutrient profile supports overall health, including cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Additional health benefits. Supports heart health. The lycopene in watermelon is known to support heart health by improving blood flow and reducing the risk of heart disease. Since the heart and kidneys work closely together to maintain overall health, supporting heart health also benefits kidney function. Aids. Digestion. Watermelon's high water and fiber content aids in digestion. Proper digestion and regular bowel movements help in the elimination of waste, reducing the workload on the kidneys. Improves skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in watermelon are also great for your skin. They help in keeping the skin hydrated and protect against sun damage. Healthy skin is often a reflection of good internal health, including the health of your kidneys. Incorporating watermelon into a balanced diet. In addition to breakfast, watermelon can be enjoyed as a snack or a dessert. Its natural sweetness makes it a healthier alternative to sugary treats. You can also use watermelon in various recipes, such as watermelon sorbet. Blend frozen watermelon chunks to make a refreshing and healthy sorbet. This is a perfect treat for hot days and a great way to stay hydrated. Watermelon juice. Simply blend watermelon chunks and strain the juice. You can add a bit of mint or lime for extra flavor. Watermelon juice is a hydrating and nutrient-packed drink that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Grilled watermelon. For a unique twist, try grilling watermelon slices. The heat caramelizes the natural sugars, giving it a slightly smoky and sweet flavor. Grilled watermelon can be served as a side dish or a dessert. Watermelon is a versatile and kidney-friendly fruit that can be easily incorporated into your diet. Its high water content, diuretic properties, and rich antioxidant profile make it an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. By including watermelon in your breakfast and throughout the day, you can enjoy its refreshing taste while benefiting from its numerous health-promoting properties. So next time you're looking for a healthy and hydrating food option, reach for a slice of watermelon. Cranberries. Cranberries are another fantastic fruit that you should consider incorporating into your breakfast routine to support kidney health. These small tart berries are known for their powerful detoxifying properties and their ability to promote urinary tract health. Benefits of cranberries for kidney health. Prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that help prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This reduces the risk of UTIs, which can be detrimental to kidney health if left untreated. UTIs can lead to more severe kidney infections if not managed properly, so including cranberries in your diet can serve as a preventive measure. Antioxidant-rich. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, quercetin, and anthocyanins. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. By combating oxidative stress, these antioxidants support the overall health and function of your kidneys, helping them filter waste more efficiently. Natural detoxifier. Cranberries have natural detoxifying properties that help cleanse the kidneys and urinary tract. Regular consumption can aid in flushing out toxins and waste products. This detoxifying effect helps maintain a clean and efficient urinary system, reducing the burden on your kidneys and supporting their health. Low in sugar. Unlike many other fruits, cranberries are relatively low in natural sugars. This makes them a suitable option for those who need to manage their blood sugar levels, such as individuals with diabetes. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important for overall health, including kidney function, as high blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time. How to include cranberries in your breakfast. Cranberry smoothie. Blend fresh or frozen cranberries with a banana, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk for a nutritious and kidney-friendly smoothie. This combination provides a balance of flavors and nutrients, making it an excellent start to your day. The banana adds natural sweetness, while the spinach boosts the nutrient content without overpowering the cranberry flavor. Cranberry oatmeal. Add a handful of dried cranberries to your morning oatmeal for a burst of flavor and a dose of kidney-boosting nutrients. The tartness of the cranberries complements the creaminess of the oatmeal, creating a delicious and healthy breakfast. You can also enhance the nutritional value by adding nuts or seeds for extra protein and healthy fats. Cranberry juice. Opt for 100% pure cranberry juice without added sugars, and enjoy a small glass with your breakfast. You can also dilute it with water for a milder taste. Pure cranberry juice provides the benefits of cranberries in a convenient form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Ensure that the juice you choose does not contain added sugars, as these can negate some of the health benefits. Nutritional profile of cranberries. Cranberries are not only low in sugar, but also high in essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, E, and K, as well as dietary fiber. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining overall health and supporting bodily functions, including those of the kidneys. The high fiber content aids in digestion, which is beneficial for kidney health, as it helps in the elimination of waste from the body. Additional health benefits supports heart health. The antioxidants in cranberries are known to support heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Since heart health and kidney health are closely connected, maintaining a healthy heart also benefits your kidneys. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in cranberries helps boost the immune system, making your body more resilient against infections, including UTIs. A strong immune system is crucial for preventing infections that could harm your kidneys. Improves digestive health. The dietary fiber in cranberries aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall health, including the health of your kidneys. Incorporating cranberries into a balanced diet. Beyond breakfast, cranberries can be included in various meals and snacks. Here are some ideas. Cranberry salad. Add fresh or dried cranberries to salads for a tart and sweet flavor. They pair well with greens, nuts, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Cranberry sauce. Make a homemade cranberry sauce with fresh cranberries, orange juice, and a touch of honey. This sauce can be used as a topping for yogurt, pancakes, or as a side dish. Cranberry snack mix. Create a healthy snack mix with dried cranberries, nuts, and seeds. This is a convenient and nutritious option for a midday snack. Apples. Apples are a classic and versatile fruit that can greatly benefit kidney health. They are readily available year-round and can be enjoyed in various forms, making them an easy addition to your breakfast routine. Benefits of apples for kidney health: high in fiber. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports digestive health, both of which are important for kidney function. By promoting regular bowel movements, fiber helps eliminate toxins and waste from the body, easing the workload on your kidneys. Antioxidant properties. Apples contain antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. By reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, antioxidants support overall kidney health and function. Alkaline properties. Apples have a mild alkaline effect on the body, which can help maintain a healthy pH balance. This is crucial for kidney health as it reduces the risk of kidney stone formation. A balanced pH level supports optimal kidney function by ensuring minerals are properly regulated and excreted. Low in sodium. Apples are naturally low in sodium, making them a suitable choice for individuals with kidney concerns who need to monitor their sodium intake. High sodium levels can lead to fluid retention and strain the kidneys, so choosing low-sodium foods like apples supports kidney health. How to include apples in your breakfast. Fresh apple slices. Slice up a fresh apple and enjoy it as a simple and healthy breakfast option. You can also dip the slices in almond butter for added protein and flavor, creating a satisfying morning snack that supports kidney health. Apple smoothie. Blend a fresh apple with a handful of spinach, a small piece of ginger, and a splash of coconut water for a refreshing and detoxifying smoothie. Apple oatmeal. Add chopped apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey to your morning oatmeal for a delicious and kidney-friendly breakfast. The natural sweetness of apples complements the hearty texture of oatmeal, creating a satisfying and nutritious meal that supports overall health. Tips for a kidney-friendly breakfast. In addition to incorporating apples into your breakfast, here are some general tips to help you create a kidney-friendly morning meal. Stay hydrated. Start your day with a glass of water or herbal tea to kickstart your hydration. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function and overall health. Limit processed foods. Avoid processed and high-sodium foods such as packaged cereals, breakfast meats, and canned juices. These can strain your kidneys and contribute to health issues over time. Balance your nutrients. Aim for a balanced breakfast that includes a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This ensures you get a variety of essential nutrients to support kidney health and overall well-being. Watch your potassium intake. If you have kidney disease or are at risk, be mindful of your potassium intake. While fruits like apples are generally low in potassium, it's important to monitor your overall intake to avoid complications. Include fiber. Fiber-rich foods, like whole grains and fruits such as apples, help regulate blood sugar levels and support digestive health, which is beneficial for your kidneys and overall health. By incorporating apples and other kidney-friendly foods into your breakfast routine, you can support optimal kidney health while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Start your day right with foods that nourish your body and promote well-being. Conclusion: starting your day with a kidney-friendly breakfast is a simple yet powerful way to support your overall health. By incorporating fruits like watermelon, cranberries, and apples into your morning routine, you can help detoxify your kidneys, reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, and protect your kidney cells from damage. Remember to stay hydrated, balance your nutrients, and avoid processed foods to maintain optimal kidney function. Your kidneys play a vital role in your body's health, and with these delicious fruits, you can give them the care and support they deserve. Whether you enjoy a refreshing watermelon smoothie, a tart cranberry oatmeal, or a crisp apple with almond butter, these fruits will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also contribute to the long-term health of your kidneys. So, make these fruits a part of your breakfast routine, and take a proactive step towards detoxifying your kidneys and enhancing your overall well-being.